Welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. We're going to do two things. First, we're going to start our pork butt in the slow cooker. And second, do you all know how many subscribers we have? Over 3,600. I am tickled pink. So we're going to give away our chicken apron. Yeah, we are. We are.
Waffle House.
No. So I had one of you all, let's see, Delaneb, Daleneb. Delaney B, I guess, sent me a recipe for a Dr. Pepper crock pot pulled pork. Okay? And we're going to try it because I have everything to do it. And I thought, you know what? It sounds really good. So I'm going to give it a shot here. Okay. I've got out all of our ingredients except our pork. I forgot it. Let me get it out of the refrigerator and let me get my chicken apron and I'll be right back. Okay, here's our chicken apron. Look at this. Isn't this just adorable? And it is plenty big enough to fit anybody from a size extra small all the way up to a very large person. And you can bring it back around and tie it, or you can tie it in the back. But isn't it cute? And it covers your whole behind. I know. Isn't it just precious? It's got a little chicken up here. Pocket. Okay. Now then. To win this apron, y'all have to do something for me. You do. I love to know where everybody is from. So, I want y'all to tell me in the comments where you live. I mean, I don't need your address or, I'm not going to stalk you or anything. I just want to know what state or what region or, like I'm Northeast Tennessee. Just something like that. Just, general. Just kind of so I know what part of the country or world you're watching me from. Turn my lights on. So, I just like to know. So that's what we need. The comment I want y'all to leave me. Okay? Now then, let's get on with our pulled pork. All right. I've got out all the ingredients. And I will put this in the description box below. Okay? Now then, shh, Andy, be quiet. I'm not going to line this because it's a non-stick coating and I don't really need to. And it says, I've already got it turned on. It says to evenly layer a thinly sliced onion. Okay, so I'm going to bring y'all down over here so you can see. Bring y'all down right like this so you can see in here. Can y'all see in there good? All right, now y'all can see. All right, evenly layer a thinly sliced onion. So there we go, in with our onion. Let me get the rest of it here. Plus this is football day and I didn't want to have to come in here and cook. I wanted it to be ready just whenever we wanted it. And I thought this would be just perfect for that. All right, we've done that. And in a small mixing bowl. Let me grab me out a mixing bowl right here. Right here we go. We got us a mixing bowl. All right, I'm going to slide that back. In a small mixing bowl, add the liquid smoke, which is 2 tablespoons. There's 1. There's 2. 2 tablespoons. I'm having to double read my directions here. The honey, which is a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. This said, how much did, okay, this is good. It said 4 to 5 pounds, mine's 6. It'll be fine. All right. A tablespoon of honey. Here's the honey. I assume you might be able to use maple syrup too, you know. Let me grab this little spatula here. Little baby spatula. Because we don't want to leave any of our goodness behind, do we? All right, now then, I do not have fresh garlic. So I'm going to use garlic powder. And I'm just going to wing it with some of this because it's more potent and I know I don't need a tablespoon. Okay, so I just sprinkled some on there. Oh, the brown sugar. Let me grab that. Y'all know I can't cook without having to go to the pantry at least once. Okay, 1/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. Packed. So here we go. There's our packed brown sugar. 1/4 of a cup. All right, let's see. I think I just put in all of our seasonings. Oh, no, I've messed it up already, but it'll be fine. We're just going to mix it all together. I need 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of Dr. Pepper. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. It says to go ahead and put that in there. So, can y'all see? All right, let's get this opened up here. Okay. Pop that in there right like that. Can y'all see in there? I think. All right, now then. Now we pour our Dr. Pepper over it, it says. Shh. I need you to be quiet, okay? And I'll give you some of this Dr. Pepper if you're good. Okay. All right, let's see here. I love these measuring cups where you can like see on the inside when you get to wherever you're going. There's 8 ounces. And there's another 4. There's our 12 ounces of Dr. Pepper. Okay, now then, I'm going to mix up all of our seasoning here. A tablespoon of onion powder. I'll use this 1/2 tablespoon and do it twice. All right. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Here's a teaspoon. There's 1. 2 teaspoons of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. And some of y'all been wanting to know where I got this. I got it off of Amazon. But when I looked earlier today, they say it's no longer available. I've put some others similar to this in my storefront. I hope that helps you all. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. There's our 2 teaspoons of paprika. A half a teaspoon of cumin. And a cup of barbecue sauce. All right, I'm going to mix all this up first. And then all right, I'm going to put this right in here. I'll bring y'all back over here just a little bit so y'all can see. Now, how's that? I'm just going to do this right here. Okay, now then, do I add my barbecue sauce now or later? It does not say. So I'm going to let this cook just like this because it doesn't say when to add the sauce. So I'll add it at the end. All right, you all, how easy is that? And I've got our homemade barbecue sauce that we made. So, all right, we'll come back in tonight and we'll see how we like it. I'm excited. I don't have to cook today, and it's football day, and I can just watch football with the hubby, and it'll be fun. We'll have us a good day. So we'll be back shortly to finish up our supper. Okay, y'all, this has been cooking 6 hours and a half, 7 hours, something like that. I'm going to take the lid off of it. Look at it. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to get a knife and I'm going to cut a little piece of this off. Look at it. It's just falling apart as I'm trying to cut it here. Just falling apart. Which is kind of what you want it to do. I'm not going to barbecue all of it right this minute because I don't think we're going to eat all of it right now. It's still just cooking away. I'm going to turn it down on low. I've had it on high. Okay, can y'all see good? Here. There. Let me get me another fork. And I'm just going to start shredding it. If it'll shred, maybe it's not quite done. No, it's done. Yeah, it's done. It's done. At least I think it's done. Part of it's done anyway. I may put a little bit of that back in there. Look at this. Turn the lights on. Okie doke, here we go. We'll put some barbecue sauce on that. Get a can opener here. Spoon to stir this up with. This is our homemade sauce. We made a week or so ago. Just gonna put a little bit on it right like that. And I'm just gonna taste it right like this, because this is the way I like to eat mine. And I'm gonna leave this for the boys to make them a sandwich whenever they decide they want one. Bring it all up here. Ready? You all want a bite? Yum, yum. Mmm. Y'all, this is delicious. Mmm. That really, really is good barbecue. It really, really is. Thank you for the recipe. I've got another one that I'll do. Got one more in the freezer. I'll do it this way, and then I'll freeze it in smaller packages, and we'll be able to have barbecue. Quick, easy, just open it up, heat it up, and eat it. Yum, yum. If y'all have got recipes you want me to try, send them in. I'll make them and let you know what I think. But this is definitely a keeper. And here it is. So I will put that in our description box so you all can also enjoy this wonderful Dr. Pepper pulled pork. Yum, yum, yum. Y'all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, and leave me a comment on this video, because this is the one I'll pull the comments from, where you live. You know, you can leave me the city if you want to, you can leave me the state, but I just want to know where everybody's watching from, okay? So that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.